Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are diving into the transformative wisdom of Secret of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. Get ready to unlock the mindset secrets of millionaires. Lesson 1, the money blueprint. Eker introduces the concept of money blueprint which shapes our beliefs and attitudes about money from childhood. The money blueprint refers to the subconscious beliefs and attitude to individuals have about money, wealth and success, which are often formed during childhood. These beliefs shape our financial behaviors and determine our level of success and abundance in life. Lesson 2, identifying limiting beliefs. Learn how to recognize and challenge the negative beliefs that may be holding you back from financial success. Identifying limiting beliefs involve recognizing the subconscious thoughts and attitude towards that may be holding you back from financial success. By becoming aware of these beliefs, you can challenge and replace them with empowering beliefs that support your goals. Lesson 3, shifting to a wealth mindset. Shifting to a wealth mindset involves reprogramming your subconscious beliefs and attitude about money to align with those millionaires. By adopting the mindset and habits of wealthy individuals, you can attract greater abundance and success into your life. And 4, mastering the wealth files. Explore the 17th principle that millionaire live by, from thinking rich to taking actions towards financial goals. Mastering the wealth files refers to understanding and embodying the 17 principles outlined by T. Harv Eker. I distinguish the mindset of millionaires. These principles, also known as the wealth files, provide a roadmap for achieving financial success and abundance. Lesson 5, embracing abundance. Embracing abundance is about shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance, recognizing that there is a more than enough wealth and opportunity available to you. By adopting an abundance mindset, you can attract prosperity and abundance into your life. Lesson 6, cultivating financial discipline. Cultivating financial discipline involves developing the habits and practices necessary to manage in finances wisely, money and invest strategically, ultimately leading to long-term wealth accumulation and financial security. 7, overcoming fear of failure. Exploring strategies of overcoming fear and taking calculated risks to achieve financial success. Cultivating financial discipline involves developing the habits and practices necessary to manage finances wisely, save money and invest strategically, ultimately leading to a long-term wealth and accumulation. Financial security. 8, building wealth consciousness. Learn how to cultivate a mindset of abundance through visualization, affirmation and gratitude practices. Building wealth consciousness involves developing a mindset that aligns with abundance, prosperity and financial success. Entail reprogramming your subconscious beliefs and attitude about money to attract wealth and opportunity into your life. 9, taking inspired actions. Inspired actions emphasizes the importance of taking consistent, purposeful action towards your financial goals, guided by your vision and values. It involves stepping out of your comfort zone and seizing opportunities and persisting in the face of challenges to create the life you desire. Paying it forward. For the importance of giving back and using your wealth to make a positive impact on others and the world. Paying it forward emphasizes the importance of using wealth and success to make a positive impact on others and the world. It involves giving back and contributing to cause you believe in and helping others achieve their goals. And there you have it, 10 transformative points from Lessons from Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. By embracing these principles and adopting a millionaire mindset, you can unlock your full potential and create lasting wealth and abundance into your life. Thanks for joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notification and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, remember to think like a millionaire and live a best life. Signing off, Maheshwari.